damn it!
Fail!
Yeah!
It's beautiful. You guys should have gone down the bigger one.
It's fucking hard. You don't know how to do it, dumb shit. You don't know how to do it.
Fail!
No, I'm not.
You guys should have waited. Oh, shit. Such a fail. You guys are hilarious. You're on the tracks.
Yeah!
Oh, you're perfect, Junior. Woo!
Ow, my ass!
You guys should go down the big hill over there.
Where?
The big one,
I
remember?
don't think we'll go down.
I don't think it will either, but
No, because you have to have, like, leaves.
yeah.
Go down where I went.
Go up higher, though.
Oh, it's going right?
Dang, John. Holy
No
cow.
balls.
No balls?
I'm gonna go off this jump right here.
Nah! Wait for John to go down first. You ready? This is gonna be epic. Shoot!
Yeah!
Woo! How does your butt feel? Okay, Junior's in the tree. You can't really see him. He's right there. Wave your hand, Junior.
Was I flying?
Wave it. There it is.
Was I going hella fast?
Right there. Oh, ow! Shoot.
Bro, was I going fast?
Huh?
You got a text message from Shelby.
Did I go fast?
Okay. Yeah?
It says, I love you too, baby. That's what it says.
What did it say?
It says, I love you too, babe. Yep. No, I'm kidding. John, get back up there.
Yeah, it's fucking like flew 50 miles an hour. Alright, I'm going.
That was only like 20. What are you talking about?
Holy shit.
Is it a snapback? It is.